Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to talk to you about chaga mushroom. Chaga mushroom is one of the most nutrition-packed medicinal mushrooms. It's been used for centuries by people to help fight cancer, to help improve the immunity, to help fight chronic inflammation and maintain blood sugar levels as well as cholesterol levels. A 2009 study has found that the active ingredient in chaga, as well as in other medicinal mushrooms, helps tumor cells to self-destruct. So unlike other cancer treatments out there, including chemotherapy, chaga does not appear to harm the healthy cells. Rather, it helps, along with other holistic approaches to cancer treatment. Chaga has so many benefits. It's a nutrition-dense superfood. It slows the aging process, it lowers the cholesterol, it prevents and fights cancer, along with other holistic approaches such as acupuncture, essential oils, juicing and cleansing and detoxifying. But when we're talking about taking on a natural approach to treating cancer, chaga has been found in medicinal and scientific studies to be one of the most primary components to cancer treatment. It also helps to support the immune system. Chaga is completely caffeine free, so rest assured with that. You can also give chaga to children over the age of 1. In Finland, they usually make a tea or either a hot tea or an iced tea with chaga mixed along some form of sweetener, either honey or stevia or maple syrup. It's safe to store this infusion in the fridge for a maximum of 5 days, and you can use it as iced tea. Also, you can use this infusion as a substitute for water or milk in any recipe that requires water. For example, cakes and baking, anything that requires the water, as in rice or soups, especially when you're making a really nutritious soup. So I usually add a teaspoon of chaga in the broth that I make, either a bone broth or a vegetable broth. Just add a teaspoon during the last phase when the broth is simmering on low heat, and yeah, you've got a really nutritious medicinal broth that is infused with chaga. So another way you can also do it is, you know how I'm making a infusion here. After I've strained it and I've let it cool down a bit, I can add it into either ice cube molds or silicone molds. Into the freezer they go. After that, I take out the frozen ice cubes, put them in a Ziploc bag, and use 1 or 2 ice cubes in smoothies, in iced tea, iced coffee, anything that I want to add that kind of nutritional value to it. What I like about chaga is it doesn't really have a strong smell to it. It's neutral in taste, so it wouldn't really affect the recipe or the dish that I'm trying to make. So one of the most easiest ways I've said to use chaga is to basically make an infusion with it, just right here, and drink it, sip it as a tea, especially when you're sick, when you're having the symptoms of cold and flu. Children love it with a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup. We also use it to make a tincture, so I'll be making a video in the upcoming days, hopefully, on how to make the chaga tincture from 2 ingredients only. Please stay tuned if you like the video. If you like the contents of the channel, do subscribe. We'd love to have you on board. Take care.